because Authentic Gourmet happens to be one of my favorite brands of specialty treats that we have here at QVC. If you've tried the croissants and love them, if you've tried the different plates that Plaits that you've brought, this is another opportunity to try something completely new and really kind of what a lot of people might consider sort of a traditional breakfast coffee cake flavor.
Absolutely.
In that this is a maple pecan, but it's maple pecan that's been braided into this amazing French pastry. These are brand new, they're an event price, you're getting 18 of them, they're large in size. Tell me about these and why they're so unique, Richard.
Well, Authentic Gourmet is an artisan French bakery based in Paris. So what we do is we make and we create the finest 5-star pastries for hotels, cafes, restaurants all over Europe, all over Paris. And so what we've done, this is our second in our series of Plaits. We've had the white chocolate cherry. Those of you know, have seen those. This is the second in the series. This is large French maple pecan Plaits.
Oh my gosh.
and
Seriously? Look at the layers in there.
Absolutely.
The flakiness, and it's almost like a maple pecan butter in that filling,
as a reference point, imagine, you know, you have your waffles and your maple syrup and your pecans, but before you even take one bite, you go over the pond, you leave it to our French pastry chefs to get going, and they will deliver this visually exquisite, beautifully creative. It's the Plaits, it's the French buttery, all French ingredients, just like with our croissant. They are made in the same way, 25 to 30 minutes, 350 degrees, and you get this extraordinary French imported pastry from Paris.
You know how, we'll walk over here.
Yeah, let's take
remember how we were talking before,
Yeah.
What am I, 3 years old? Remember when we were talking earlier and we were trying to think of like, what's really the best way to sort of describe this filling?
Yeah.
It's like a pumpkin pie filling.
Right, yeah.
Or a pecan pie filling.
Pecan, absolutely.
So if you know how that pecan pie filling is, I mean, it's, you know, butter and sugar and cinnamon and pecans, and it's a little gooey sweet. That's what you have braided into this layer of this amazing flaky pastry.
Oh my goodness.
I knew I was gonna like it. Now that I've taken a bite, can I tell you, I like it 75 million times more than I thought I would.
Thank you,
because
Jill.
if you do love pecan pie, now it's like having a pecan pie pastry for breakfast.
I mean, look, you can see it there. You can see the textures. You can see that incredible pastry. Remember all the layers of butter and layers of pastry I always talk about with our croissant? Now you have that same melt in your mouth taste, but now you have a dreamy, warm pecan glaze inside, and of course you have sprinkled on the outside. I'm just going to show you for a second at how they arrive. This is how they will come. The pecans are already on the outside. You know, the thing about Authentic Gourmet is it makes you look great.
Yes.
You know, you pop these in the oven 25 to 30 minutes and you come out looking like the superstar.
They're really good.
Thank you.
Like really,
they really are. I mean,
like insane, really good. Yeah.
And you know, that's what we went to Paris 2 or 3 years ago and we brought back our croissant, and you loved those, and we won awards for those. So now we started bringing you these more exquisite, exclusive, again, exclusive to QVC, exclusive to America. And if you order these today, you literally will be the first people to try
have them.
So
well, we do have 2 ship weeks away available. We can ship them out straight away. We can ship them out to you in December. These are so popular, we've put them on auto delivery. These I know you're seeing for the first time, but what we found with all the Authentic Gourmet items is that they're so popular and you're always wanting more. We just went ahead and jumped the gun and put them on auto delivery straight away. Your shipping and handling is included, of course. Works out to be a little less than $3 a piece. But remember, I mean, this is, if you went to a bakery in your local town that had like the most premier assortment of pastries, that's what you're getting here from Authentic Gourmet. The butter, the layers, the flakiness, the performance. What I love about this brand is the consistency. Whether I'm buying the croissants, whether I'm buying the different you know, items like we're showing you here, they always perform every single time, and that's exactly what you're going to get here. If you like pecan pie, if you like that kind of nuttiness in the morning or for an afternoon treat, I mean, you know, you're drizzling things on top of it. I got to tell you, they're sweet, They're delicious, and frankly, you don't have to do a darn thing to them. They're just as good by themselves
That's
without
true.
all the extra.
You know, if you like your maple syrup, then obviously you can add the maple syrup. I put some cinnamon sugar on there as well.
Look at that. Look at
but,
all that.
you know, imagine the holiday time has arrived. The cold snap has finally got here, and as your guests wake up, as your family wake up in the morning, they're going to smell. They think perhaps it's croissant, but no,
Look at those
it's
layers.
even more special. You have that creamy, buttery ingredients with the croissant, but you have, as I say, that warm,
Look at
dreamy
that.
pecan essence. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And of course the pecans themselves on the side.
So good. And it's not too much of any of it.
Yeah.
It's not too much filling. I mean, that's the other thing too. I think as Americans, sometimes we're so used to our lives being supersized
Absolutely.
that we expect everything to be completely jam-packed, full, you know, completely overstuffed, right? This is elegant eating.
And
you
it's
know,
not the European way,
it's
Jill.
not the European way at all. So yes, there's filling in here, and it's just the right amount to give you the right amount of sweetness, balanced with the buttery pastry, tied into the bit of the nuttiness that you'll have on the outside. It's the balance. I mean, I think that's why the French are so respected for what they do in the pastry world.
Absolutely.
Because it truly is a beautiful balance.
It is, and you know, and it is truly a pleasure. You know, what is gourmet? You know, we talk about gourmet holiday. This is truly gourmet. This is special. It's
So
fancy. It's from France. It's from Europe. It's going to be shipped to your door for free. And you are going to be able to say, wow, yeah, we had these shipped in from Paris. So, you know, again, exclusive to QVC.
Delicious.
But if you order them today, you're going to be the first people ever to try them in the US. Think again of that breakfast that we all know and love with the maple
They're
syrup,
delicious.
the waffles, and the pecans. But now you've gone across the pond, you've handed the project over to French pastry chefs, and this is what they are sending you in return.
It's amazing. You're getting 18 of them. Just keep them in your freezer. Pull them out. What do I bake them at again?
Yeah, so again, it's 20, just like with our croissant, 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees.
From frozen,
Yeah.
and they'll puff up and they'll be delicious, and they're divine. Over 600 ordered. We did not bring in a lot of these. As far as I know, this might be your only chance to get them. So take advantage of the opportunity to try something new for the holidays, serve something for those guests that are coming in from out of town. Imagine them waking up and them saying, where did you get these?
Absolutely.
Just flew them in from Paris the other
Absolutely.
day.
Love it.
Use that auto delivery too. That's how confident we are that you're going to want these continually. And those are M46248. Thank you.
Thank you,
So
Jill.
nice to
Great
see
to
you,
see you.
Richard. Always a
See you soon.
pleasure. Okay, those are good. Did I say that enough times? Really good. Here's something else that's been delicious in this show, and this was